Welcome to day 5 of your 14 days of meditation beginner's guide. For today, it's a 5-minute morning meditation to start your day and really get a good head start. My name is Sofie, and I am so very thankful that you're joining me today. So let's begin. Start by getting yourself in a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and unclench your jaw. Get yourself into a relaxed state and focus on the breath. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Focusing on your breath. If and when thoughts start coming into your head, just observe them. See what's coming up and release it. Come back to the breath. Come back to the inhale. Come back to the exhale. Consciously breathing. Every time you inhale, breathe in love and light. And every time you exhale, breathe out all of your worries. In this moment, there are no concerns. In this moment, what you're doing is perfect and is exactly what you need to be doing at this point in time. Focusing on the breath. There is no need to be hard on yourself. No need to think that you're not doing this right, because you are. You've taken the time to be here, to sit with yourself in this 5-minute meditation and to learn how to meditate. You're building mental strength. You're gaining mental clarity, which will ultimately help you access new levels of creativity, new ways to deal with different problems, and really help you feel more resilient in your life. Just focusing on the breath. If for any reason you have to move or you have to itch, do it. Listen to your body. If you try to fight the urge, you can do that over time. But when you're beginning, listen. It's the first time you're really paying attention to what's going on internally, to what's going on within the mind. You're learning to listen to yourself, listen to your intuition, and develop this mental strength. Just breathe in and out. With every thought that comes to your mind, just come back to that breath, focusing on the inhale and on the exhale. You're doing so well. Continuously breathing in this moment. Today is going to be a good day. Today, things are going to happen that are going to be so unexpected and so wondrous. Today, you're going to see miracles happening in your life. Today, you are open to receiving miracles. Today, you are open to positivity. Be grateful that you've come here today, that you've taken the time to really sit with yourself. Be grateful for the day ahead and this present moment. Feeling this deep sense of gratitude for all the blessings coming your way. Repeating, I accept miracles. I accept abundance. Today is a good day. I am open and accepting of having a wonderful day, a wonderful life, and I am so thankful that I have taken this time for myself. And with that, I'd like you to take one last deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Deeply breathing and slowly start to wiggle your hands and your feet. Really giving yourself a lot of gratitude for taking these past 5 minutes to be with yourself, to connect with yourself, and develop your mental strength. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Namaste.